Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on PayU. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in payu.in and press enter. You will then be taken into the official PayU website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login page. Now in order to log in, simply enter your credentials. Just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with PayU. You can also click on login using OTP if you can't remember your password or if you wish to log in using this method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account with PayU. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.